Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into the enchanting world of home library ideas. A home library is more than just a collection of books. It's a personal sanctuary, a place where you can escape into the pages of a good story, immerse yourself in your favorite genres, and create a space that reflects your unique tastes. In this video, we'll explore various design concepts, organization strategies, and decor ideas that will help you create a cozy and inspiring home library. Whether you have a dedicated room or a small nook, these ideas will help you transform your space into a reading haven. Let's get started. The first step in creating your dream home library is selecting the perfect location. The right spot can make a significant difference in how you use and enjoy your space. Here are some factors to consider when choosing the location for your home library. Natural light. Look for a space that receives plenty of natural light. Sunlight not only creates a warm and inviting atmosphere but also enhances the reading experience. If possible, position your library near a window to take advantage of daylight. Quiet corners. A home library should be a peaceful retreat. Choose a location away from the hustle and bustle of your home, where you can enjoy uninterrupted reading time. Spare rooms, corners of living rooms, or even converted closets can make excellent choices for a cozy library. Accessibility. Consider how accessible your home library will be for you and your family. It should be easy to reach, allowing you to quickly grab a book whenever the mood strikes. If you have children, think about how you can create a safe and inviting space for them to explore books as well. Proximity to other rooms. If you have a dedicated space for your library, consider its proximity to other rooms. Being near the living room or a home office can encourage family members to join you in your reading endeavors, making it a more communal space. Flexibility. Lastly, think about how the space can be adapted for future needs. If you plan to expand your book collection or incorporate other uses, choose a location that can easily accommodate changes, such as adding seating or additional shelving. By carefully selecting the location of your home library, you'll create an inviting atmosphere that encourages relaxation and reading. A well-placed library can become a cherished part of your home where you can escape into the literary world. If these home library ideas inspired you to create your own reading sanctuary, please give this video a like and share it with fellow book lovers who dream of the perfect library. Once you've chosen the perfect location for your home library, it's time to think about the design and layout. A well-thought-out design can enhance the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your space. Here are some design tips to create a beautiful and practical home library. Bookshelves and storage solutions. Bookshelves are the heart of any library. Choose shelving that fits your space, whether it's floor-to-ceiling shelves, freestanding units, or wall-mounted shelves. Consider varying the heights of your shelves to accommodate both tall and short books. Additionally, include closed storage options, such as cabinets or bins, to keep less visually appealing items organized. Seating arrangements. Comfort is key in a home library. Invest in cozy seating options like armchairs, sofas, or even a chaise lounge. Create a reading nook by placing a comfortable chair near a window, complete with a small side table for drinks or snacks. If space permits, consider adding a reading sofa or a couple of bean bags for a relaxed atmosphere. Lighting. Proper lighting is essential for any reading space. Combine ambient lighting, like ceiling fixtures, with task lighting, such as floor lamps or table lamps, to ensure adequate illumination for your books. Opt for warm light bulbs to create a cozy atmosphere, and consider installing dimmers to adjust the brightness based on your needs. Color palette and decor. The colors you choose can significantly impact the mood of your home library. Soft, muted colors can create a calming environment, while bolder hues can add character and energy. Don't forget to incorporate personal touches like artwork, photographs, or decorative items that reflect your style and interests. Functional accessories. Think about adding accessories that enhance functionality and comfort. Consider a small rolling cart for easy access to your favorite books or supplies. Add a cozy throw blanket for chilly nights, and incorporate a few plants to bring life to the space. By thoughtfully designing your home library, you can create a beautiful and functional space that invites you to curl up with a good book. With the right layout, furnishings, and decor, your library can become a beloved part of your home. What's your favorite feature for a home library? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you envision your ideal reading space. After designing your library space, the next step is organizing your book collection. A well-organized library not only looks great but also makes it easier to find and enjoy your favorite reads. Here are some effective organization strategies. Genre or category. One of the most popular methods for organizing books is by genre or category. This system allows you to group similar books together, making it easy to find what you're looking for. You could have sections for fiction, nonfiction, mystery, fantasy, and more, creating a structured yet visually appealing layout. Alphabetical order. Another common approach is to organize your books alphabetically by the author's last name or book title. This method works particularly well for larger collections, as it allows for quick access to specific titles. You can create labels for each section to make navigation easier. Personalized systems. Consider creating a personalized organization system based on your preferences. For instance, you could organize books by color for a visually striking display or by size for a more uniform look. You can also mix and match systems, such as combining genres with decorative items or unique storage solutions. Utilizing vertical space. If you have limited space, make the most of vertical storage options. Stack books vertically and horizontally on your shelves to create a dynamic and visually interesting display. Use bookends to keep books upright and tidy, while adding decorative items or plants on horizontal stacks to break up the monotony. Regular maintenance. Lastly, ensure you maintain your library's organization over time. Regularly assess your collection, removing books you no longer want or need. Consider donating these to local libraries or charities. Keeping your collection curated not only makes finding books easier but also allows you to enjoy your favorite titles more fully. By implementing effective organization strategies, your home library can become a functional and beautiful space that encourages you to explore new reads and revisit beloved classics. Whether you choose to categorize by genre, author, or personal preference, an organized collection will enhance your reading experience. For more creative home design tips and inspiring ideas, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on our latest videos. Creating a home library is not just about the books, it's also about the atmosphere you cultivate within the space. Personal touches and thoughtful decor can make your library feel uniquely yours. Here are some ideas for adding character and charm to your home library. Artwork and prints. Hang artwork, prints, or photographs that resonate with you on the walls. This adds personality and can inspire your reading experience. Choose pieces that reflect your interests, whether they're literary quotes, abstract art, or landscapes that invite tranquility. Themed decor. Consider incorporating a theme into your library decor. For example, if you love classic literature, you could decorate with vintage book covers, old typewriters, or globes. Check out our home decor playlist for more innovative ideas that can transform any room into a stylish and functional space. If you're a fan of travel, add maps or travel-themed artwork to inspire wanderlust while you read. Comfortable textiles. Incorporate comfortable textiles to create a cozy atmosphere. Soft rugs can define your reading space, while curtains or shades can control natural light. Add decorative pillows and throws to your seating options to encourage relaxation and comfort. Bookish accessories. Enhance your home library with bookish accessories. Consider decorative bookends, stylish bookmarks, or unique shelving solutions that reflect your personality. You could also add a decorative clock or a globe to your shelves for added charm. Personal mementos. Don't hesitate to include personal mementos that hold special meaning. These could be family photos, souvenirs from travels, or memorabilia from favorite events. Thank you for joining us as we explored home library ideas. We hope these concepts inspire you to create a personal library that reflects your style and passion for reading. Interested in the bookshelves and decor featured in today's video? Head to the description for links to all the products used, so you can create your dream library at home. Whether you have a dedicated room or a cozy corner, a well-designed library can become a cherished sanctuary in your home. From selecting the right location and designing your space to organizing your collection and adding personal touches, there are countless ways to transform your library into a welcoming haven. Remember, your home library is a reflection of you, so don't hesitate to make it uniquely yours. Happy reading and decorating!